Hi, this is Kelly Atchison. This short little video is going to show you how to go about ordering your Discount Shopper kit. First thing you need to do is go to my blog, and you're going to find that at astampabove.typepad.com, or you can just type in astampabove.com right here in your search bar, and it'll bring you to my blog. Then you're going to scroll down until you come to the $99 kit button. Click on that button, and that's going to take you to this page. You've got lots of questions and answers in here, all the details about our kit. Right at the top of this screen, click here to order your kit. So when you're ready to order your kit, I recommend that you write down all the item codes and the name of each item you're going to be ordering. You can order $175 worth of product, but you can't go over that amount at all. So you need to get that figured out before you decide to click here and get that starter kit. You're going to click on the here, and that's going to take you to the Stampin' Up! Website. You're going to see my name right up here in the right-hand corner. Now, this is a demonstrator or an independent demonstrator agreement. We call this an IDA. You're going to need to go down here and click on acknowledge, and go down here and click on acknowledge. You are free to read through all of this mumbo jumbo. It's pretty boring, and there's absolutely nothing in it that will ever cause you any harm. So, but please feel free to read through it if you want to, but you really don't need to. You have my word on that. Next, you're going to click on the continue button. That's going to bring you to this screen. This is where you can order the starter kit alone for $99, or you can order the starter kit with that Craft and Carry tote bag. The price for this is $129. The price without the bag is $99. You're going to decide which one you want, and you're going to click. Then it asks you, do you have a Stampin' Rewards starter kit code? The answer is no. Unless you have hosted a party and you have earned Stampin' Rewards, you do not have a Stampin' Rewards starter kit code. So click on no and then click apply. Now it's going to ask you to choose the tote, and remember I chose option 2 to get that beautiful tote. I'm going to click that. And now you're going to need to click here for your business supply pack. This does not cost you anything. It's included with your kit. And now we're going to come to where we're going to build our starter kit. And you can add your item codes in here and click on the magnifying glass. That's Whisper White cardstock. I can click on add. And now you'll see right down here at the bottom of the screen, it tells you how much money you have left to spend. Once you have filled this out and gotten everything that you want, let's see, I'm going to add, oh, it's going to make me do them one at a time. Let's put a big shot in here. Now you can put in the item code, or you can type in a word. And I'm just going to fill this up until we get up to our $175 amount. I only have $25.50 left, and I tried to add something that's $38.50, so that will not work, and it prompted me that it won't work. So now I'm going to add this, and then I'll go to the next screen here, and of course you're going to be adding in your item codes up here. And now I've only got $1.50 left. I don't think we sell anything for $1.50, so that's okay. I'm going to check over and make sure this is all the items that I wanted, and now I'm going to click continue. Here's where you're going to add all your information. And I get a lot of people that ask me the question, if I'm going to be a discount shopper, why do I need to add my social security number here? This is a legal document that you are filling out to get the starter kit. And while you may be a discount shopper, other people that buy this kit are building a business. And anytime you are building a business, they need your social security number for tax purposes. So you're going to fill out all this information, and it's going to ask you, is your spouse going to be a supporting demonstrator? Say no. Select your tax rate, and then you're going to continue on, and it's going to ask you for your credit card to pay for your starter kit. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to ask me, but I think that this little video will be very helpful and helping you walk through the process. And welcome to my team. I'm so glad that you are taking advantage of this. All your future orders you can make at a discount, and you will also get added to my private Facebook group for my team, my VIP Facebook group. We have a lot of fun on there. Again, don't hesitate if you have any questions. Have a great day.